Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we're taking a quick look at XRP on our daily time frame. Also make sure to go down below and sign up for Blowfin. You get some really crazy deposit bonuses there. Chance to win a Tesla, all kinds of competitions coming soon, so do make sure to go and check that out. So taking a look at XRP then on our daily time frame, after back testing into this 0 to 0.38 Fibonacci level down here at around 41 cents, we had a really nice rally to the upside, didn't we? You can see we were stuck under resistance for a while. We come down, we sweep the lows, and then we come up, we ran through all these levels of resistance up to the 0.50 Fibonacci up here around 61 cents. We tried to continue, but we got a little bit of a reversal, now sitting at around 57 cents today and basically still going sideways. As you can see, I do think XRP is going to have its time in the sun going into the end of this year and next year. We're going to see the SEC case being resolved, and I do think in the bull market we could see some fireworks for XRP. Right now chilling and waiting, but overall things looking pretty good.